Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Wondering why I'm singing that theme song? It's because this cocktail is called the Castaway, and the 1960s television show Gilligan's Island is very well known for having 7 stranded castaways here on Gilligan's Isle. I don't know why it's called Gilligan's Isle, because there are arguably many people who are higher on the totem pole than Gilligan, of all people. This is a cocktail I'm pretty sure neither Gilligan nor the skipper would have enjoyed. 3/4 ounce of coffee liqueur. Gonna use my Kahlua. One and a half ounces of rum. Come on. And 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So it's 3, so that's 2 1.5s. I'm gonna put some ice in the glass. I'm gonna shake this. I could have picked a smaller glass. It also says fill this with ice and in a hurricane glass. I don't have hurricane glasses. I'm also almost out of ice. That's good. Pineapple and roasted coffee bean. Oh, that's perfect. That's a perfect poolside or beachside drink if I've ever seen one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.